Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. In today's video, we discuss about summer fruits. Summer fruits help to reduce tiredness and fatigue which we experience during summer season. The summer fruits keep your system hydrated and cool you down. Let us see details of some summer fruits. Plums. Plums are rich in nutrients. These are round shaped fruits which are rich in dietary fibers. Plums help to reduce constipation and other digestive problems. Plums keeps the heart healthy and maintaining blood pressure. Plums also reduce the risk of breast cancer and type 2 diabetes. Number 2, lychee. You get lychee only summer season. Lychee are full of juice and have sweet taste. Great source of potassium and vitamins, helps to reduce and regulate your blood pressure and sodium level. Lychees are rich in antioxidants, boost immunity and reduces inflammation. As well as lychees are very delicious fruits, so enjoy lychee in summer season. Number 3, pineapples. Pineapples help in boosting metabolism and reducing inflammation, also help to burn calories. Pineapple juice is very famous in weight loss. Number 4, grapes. Grapes are rich source of potassium. If you have high cholesterol and blood pressure, grapes must be included into your diet. Grapes help in keeping your heart healthy. Grapes are good for health. Number 5, watermelon. Summers are incomplete without these red juicy and cooling fruit. It has great source of water, vitamin C and A. Vitamin A boosts immunity and good for eyes. Vitamin C also good for your immunity. Watermelon also contains magnesium and potassium. It also helps to prevent cancer and improve heart health. Number 6, guava. Guava is another summer fruit. Many people do not like guava, but guava contains many benefits. Help in weight loss. Guava helps blood sugar and insulin balanced. Single guava a day can improve metabolism and mental health. Wonderful fruit for all ages. Number 7, papaya. Papaya contains nutrients like vitamin A and C. It helps in curing indigestion. Papaya is good source of beta carotene which prevents skin damage and reduces inflammation. Number 8, mango. Mangoes are high in calories and rich source of nutrients and vitamins. That's why mangoes are known as king of fruits. This fruit is enriched with fibers and has 20 minerals and vitamins. Fibers also help in digestion. It is also full of potassium. Mangoes helps to protect the eyes. As well as mangoes are very tasty fruits. Enjoy all these fruits in this summer season. If you like the video, give it thumbs up. Also like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.